Here's my version of the popular Indian naan bread. For the dry ingredients, you'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast. I used instant yeast. You also need some salt and some sugar. Combine the drying ingredients and add the wet, including the 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then using warm water, knead it into a soft dough. Once you're done, coat the dough with oil to prevent it from sticking on the bowl. Then let it rest for about an hour or simply until it doubles up in size. Look at the size here. Well, punch it and do some light kneading. Then make some equal sized balls. The last step here is to roll the balls into circles or any shape really. Cook over a heated pan, well-heated pan, and once you see the bubbles, it means it's ready, so flip over and cook on the other side until it's brown enough. You can eat it as it is. Optionally, you can brush margarine or butter on one side of the bread for more flavor. And so here's one more addition to your food diversity household plan, and keep it here for more food and agricultural content. I'll see you in the next one. Kwaheri.